Assalamu alaikum grade 1. Hope so you all will be fine. Allah bless you all. It's me, your English teacher here. Today it's my 5th lecture with you, and we will cover book page number 28, 29 and workbook page number 17 and 18. Okay, and the topic that we are going to do is red car. Okay, it's your unit number 4. So we will start reading and the exercise work also. Okay, so let's get started. Okay students, now take out your English reader and open your English reader at page number 27. First of all, you have to mention date and day on the top of the page, and we are going to do lesson or story red car. Okay, what is this? Red car. Okay, move towards book page number 28 and mention date and day as well on the top of the page. But before going to read the story, I want to read here some difficult words in front of you, so in this way it will become easier for you to read in the story. Okay, to read these words in the story. The first one is Toyo, wheels, horn, lights. Okay, repeat after me as well. Window, little, beautiful, birthday, present, package, shiny, and jumps. Okay, 3 more are here. Talking, handsome, thank you, friends. These are all difficult words that are included in the reading. So now let's start the reading and I'll explain you as well. Toyo is a red toy car. It has 4 shiny wheels and a loud horn. Okay, who is Toyo? Toyo is a red car and it has 4 shiny wheels and loud horn. It has 2 big lights, you can say headlights. Toyo is in a shop window. It has no one to play with. Okay, where is Toyo kept? Toyo is kept in shop window. Okay, in display. Hadi is a little boy. He sees Toyo in the shop window. Okay, Hadi is a little boy. ठीक है, छोटा सा बच्चा है. He sees Toyo in the shop window. उसने टोयो को कहाँ देखा? जहाँ वो शॉप के अंदर वो शोकेस में रखी हुई थी. Hadi looks at Toyo. Toyo looks at Hadi. Okay, Hadi and Toyo both looks each other. Hadi thinks mean सोचा. Okay, Hadi ने क्या सोचा? What a beautiful car. Okay, Hadi ने सोचा what a beautiful car, how beautiful car it is. And Toyo also thinks about Hadi, what a handsome boy. Okay, what a handsome boy, nice boy you can say. It is Hadi's birthday. His mother says, happy birthday Hadi. Okay, you know that when there is birthday of someone we say happy birthday. So Hadi's mother also said happy birthday Hadi. She says, here's your present. Okay, present किसे कहते हैं? तोहफे को, gift को. He says, here's your present. Hadi says, thank you mother. Okay, here is a lesson for you. When someone gives you present or something, you should say thank you. Okay, he opens the package. Package means gift, packing. Okay, packing of his present or his gift. So Toyo, the shiny car, jumps out of the package. Okay, when he opens the gift, the shiny car came out. It says, hello Hadi, let's be friends. Okay, what does the talking car say? Hello Hadi, let's be friends. Friends mean our दोस्त बन जाए. ठीक है. Hadi says, wow, a talking car, what fun. Okay, and Hadi was also very much happy to get that talking car. Okay, talking car mean जो बात करती है car. Okay, so read the story and write difficult words on your notebooks. And as I did, you can see on this register, make your notebook page like this. Okay, now come to exercise. Okay, on book page number there is a small exercise for you. Learn to read one. Okay, take the right picture. The first one has been done for you. Okay, after reading you will solve this. That Toyo is a motorbike or a car. Toyo is a red car. So first one is done for you. Okay, next one is second one, Hadi. Who is Hadi from both children? Hadi is a little boy. So you will take the boy. It is Hadi's birthday. Okay, you can take the right picture. Here is Hadi's birthday. Hadi's mother gives him a present. Okay, where is Hadi's mother give him present? Present means gift. Where is she giving him gift? In this picture, in this picture. Yes, in this picture she is giving present to Hadi. A talking car. Okay, here are two cars and this car can talk. What does it say? Hello Hadi. Okay, so this is talking car. The next one is Hadi is very happy to get the car. Okay, in this picture Hadi is crying and in this picture Hadi is very much happy. So you will take the right picture. Okay, now come to, okay, please open your workbook page number 17. We will do our exercise here. First mention date and day on the top of the page and draw weather. Okay, red car. Okay, first question or first instruction that is given to you people is prepare your own word wall of the difficult words of the lesson and learn them. Okay, you will write difficult words over here and you will learn them as well. First word is Toyo, wheels, loud, light, little, window, beautiful. Okay, these are 7 difficult words and you will write in word wall. Next, you are asked to think. What you have to think? Write the words with 3 letters. Okay, write the words that have 3 letters or 3-letter words. You can change, you can write other words. I have written bat, hat, cat. These are 3-letter words. Next, make sentences using 2 words of your word wall. You can select any 2 words from these from this word wall and you will make sentence. I have make sentence of car and wheels and beautiful. Car has 4 wheels. Okay, I have took this wheel word from word wall. The next one is I have beautiful toy. Okay, so beautiful is word took from word wall. Okay, you can change your sentences. Now move to workbook page number 18. Mention date and day. Okay, Hadi went to the toy shop and looked at all the toys. Okay, Hadi looked there. A car which cost rupees 20, a racing car which price is rupees 50, a bus that cost is rupees 70, train that is of rupees 100, and the police car and its cost is rupees 60. Okay, he looked at different toys there. Now you have to give answers. Which toy was the most expensive? Expensive means costly, महंगा. Okay, सबसे महंगा या costly toy कौन सा है among these toys? So the toy which have greater price, it will be expensive. Okay, so train is most expensive toy because it cost rupees 100. Next one, which toy was cheapest? Cheapest means toy having less price, sasta. Okay, so the car is cheapest because it cost rupees 20. Next one, which 2 toys could he buy if he had rupees 80? Okay, if he has rupees 80, which toys can he get? Okay, so if he has rupees 80, he can buy a car and police car. Okay, you can add these prices as well. Okay, next one is, how many racing cars could he buy if he had rupees 100? You know that a single racing car cost rupees 50. Okay, एक कार की कीमत 50 रुपीज़ है, तो वो कितनी रेसिंग कार ले सकता है? 50, वो 2 ले सकता है. ठीक है, यू कैन चेक 50 and 50. ओके, हम इनको ऐड करके देखते हैं. Add 0 into 0, so answer will be 0. So to add these, I will draw a line 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So add them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so he can buy 2 racing cars if he has rupees 100. Okay, last one, which 2 toys could he buy if he had rupees 150? Okay, it he has rupees 150, so he can buy train that costs rupees 100 and a racing car that costs rupees 50. Okay, so he can buy train or racing car. Okay, students, fill your workbook and as a homework, write all the difficult words on your notebook. Read the story, underline all the words, and send me your reading videos as well. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.